AI Photo Generator app overview. So if you want to know about the Momo AI Photo Generator app, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can open up your Play Store, or if you're using an iOS device, you can go with your App Store. Now go with search, and under search, you need to just search for Momo AI, and you will have the Momo AI Photo Generator application, which is right here. As you can see that it's free to install. I've already installed it. You can just simply go with install, which will be on the right side, and it will start the installation process. It may take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection. And after that, if you scroll down, then you will have the reviews about the application. As you can see that it has 1 million plus downloads and 3.5 stars. It is rated for 3 plus. You will have 170k reviews for this application. And if you go with about this application, you can go with the arrow, which is with the right side. Then you can have the key features, like you can create your AI profile, you can generate photorealistic AI headshots, you can choose from a variety of styles, you can save your photos in high resolution, and has social media enthusiasts. It's perfect for it, and it's perfect for job seekers. It's also good for singles on dating apps and everyone wanting to look their best. We can also scroll down and have all of the information about the application if you want more details. And if you go back, then here you will have some videos and some photos regarding that application. You can just view that also. It's a AI photo generator. It has generated a lot of AI photos. It can also convert a photo to a video. You'll have your professional photos. You can try with your partner also. You'll have movie styles. It has Zodiac portraits, couple photos, AI travel photos, decades transition. So it's a pretty good application. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.